Leet code 27, removing element. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val and nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contains elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Return k. Custom judge. Expected, sort, actual, So 3, 2, 2, 3 with the value of 3, remove the 3s, we move them. Output 2. And underscored because we're doing in place here. Okay. So we're gonna have to rewrite values. I less than nums. Type in length correctly this time. So if nums I does not equal the value, yeah, so we'll write as the current index that's not equal to the value, and then we can add nums I to that. So every time it's nums I increases, and it'll be rewritten into the nums right. Okay. And the output is just the number of non-vals. Awesome. Easy peasy. I don't understand how you save a tiny bit more memory, but okay. And then in Python, we can just have it like this. For I in range. When nums, if nums I does not equal val, nums right, nums I, right plus equals 1, return right, and then we can just submit that. Nice. 7.5%. Holy. Interesting. Well, and that's how you remove an element in place. Basically just gets rewritten.